What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I'm in the middle of like, I don't know, maybe a little bit of a dilemma, right? And maybe it's not a dilemma for me, but just a conversation that I feel like needs to be at least put to rest just for me. Maybe other people feel a different way, but I don't feel that way. When it comes to the crypto market, there are people that believe or don't believe. And there are people that refuse to even acknowledge the crypto market. It's not about whether they believe or not. It's just like, I'm comfortable with what I'm doing. I'm not saying crypto's not real. I'm not saying crypto's not going to be legitimate or it's going to fail. I'm just saying I'm staying out of it. You know? Um, Now, obviously, I'm heavy into the crypto market. I pretty much dropped a lot of things in the stock market in order to get heavily into crypto. And anytime I bring up crypto, there's always a conversation on what does it do for society? Is it going to do anything or does it do anything now? And that conversation always leads to me talking about what the future of crypto will be, not necessarily what crypto is right now. Because when you look back to, let's say, what the internet was when it first got started, it obviously isn't what it is today. When people can make money off of the internet, people can work on the internet, people can do so many different things and have so many different revenue generators, online. That I feel like people don't understand until they see it firsthand. It's like, when you you see a product, like a brand new product that say Apple comes out with or Samsung comes out with, you obviously don't think that that product is real until it's in front of you, until it's in your hands, until you have it or somebody else has it. That's the same way I feel about like the Tesla Cybertruck. I saw a Cybertruck for the first time the other day. It was like a week ago, and I was like, the Cybertruck seems real to me. That now that I see it, and I honestly wanted to follow it because it looked nice. I wanted to see all the different features and everything, but I don't want to own one. I don't think I do. But the point is that it doesn't seem real until it actually happens. So what I wanted to talk about today was the comments that I'm getting related to the cryptocurrency market, where people are saying that it's all a bubble or the crypto market will go to zero and it's just not worth it and that everybody should get out of the market. And I think that's not a way to look at crypto. We understand that crypto will be a big part of our future, but then some people don't believe that. And they can believe what they can believe, we can believe what we can believe, and understandably so, like those, they won't be completely left behind, but they will miss out on a larger opportunity. So I want to talk about crypto in general, and if selling my crypto is the best idea for my financial situation as well as where I stand right now. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, one link that I do have at the top of the description is a link for Margex. Honestly, it's a great platform if you're into crypto trading. If you're not into crypto trading, then maybe it's not for you. But if you're into crypto trading, even long term, you can utilize Margex to gain yourself a lot of money by utilizing other people's money. Leverage trading is definitely a huge part of investing in anything. When it comes to real estate, when it comes to the stock market, when it comes to collectibles, you are investing a certain amount of money, you are leveraging a certain amount of money, and you can use all of that in order to make yourself a lot more. Does that make sense? Anyways, let's go ahead and start, right? We have to start with these comments because I think the comments is what really brought this to my attention. Now, if I go into my YouTube studio, you'll see here from one person, really, when I talked about, the fact that you only need 100 XRP to change your life forever, it'll say, really, sell and run, all crypto will go to zero, game over. This is the common thing that I see in people that don't believe in the crypto market is the fact that all crypto will go to zero. If you think that crypto is going to zero, you'd be sadly mistaken and you're missing out on a huge opportunity. Now, did I think we were going to see a little bit of a crash when we did? Yes, I did think we were going to see a pullback because we were seeing that level where it was pulling back to a certain area and it was going to have a massive support, wherever that support actually was. It did break through previous support levels. But essentially, I think Bitcoin got down to like $16 18,000, 17,000, or 15, one of the three. But it got down to a very low point, and there was so much opportunity for people to make money, as well as going further in what Bitcoin will be. But then you also saw a lot of altcoins that haven't had the ability to run, but did maybe run a little bit, right? When you talk about BNB, you talk about Solana, those made some moves. But when you talk about something like ADA or XRP, maybe haven't really made the move that we wanted to see yet. So crypto is not going to zero. In my opinion, this is all my opinion, and you may believe something completely different, but it's not going to zero. There's so much use for a digital currency. There's so much use for having a different method to buying different things instead of having this currency over here that's completely inflationary. We're looking at something that could be deflationary or something that could stand flat and increase in value for the currency rather than it being a standalone whatever it's worth, right? A dollar is a dollar, but the price of goods will go up, giving our value to a dollar a lot less. When it comes to this, now the value of this cryptocurrency rises, right? It's not a stable coin, it rises while the price of goods are going up. So that means both of them are moving in tandem, and what you own is also increasing, as well as what you're buying is also increasing. So it's definitely something that's a necessity, and we need to have a change to our monetary system, which is going to happen. So for people that believe that crypto is going to zero, no, it's not. Now, there's also that question that I get where people are telling me, hey, sell all your crypto. Not really a question, but a statement. People are saying, sell all of your crypto and run. Crypto will go to zero. They're saying that I would benefit more out of selling my crypto now. Now, understand, the crypto market currently stands at a $2.41 trillion market cap, with a lot of things that still have a ton of potential going forward. But when we look at my portfolio, I have about $200,000 that's sitting in my crypto portfolios overall. If I decided to sell everything, what would that get me? What would that get me if I'd sold everything in the crypto market? Well, I would be able to pay off my student loans. I'll be able to pay off majority of my mortgage, not all of it, but majority of my mortgage. And then I would only have the kind of the bare minimum of expenses that we would have there. I would still have to pay my mortgage, but bare minimum of expenses if I decided to do that. But what would I lose out on? I think it's more about understanding the opportunity cost in holding the crypto versus selling it. If I sold the crypto $200,000, I gain a total of $83,000 altogether, all-time profit. Very happy with that, right? But if I decided to hold on to my crypto, what do I essentially gain from that? As crypto does rise, as crypto does show the altcoin season, and we see Bitcoin that runs, and we see a use case within many different cryptocurrencies, if I see a standard, what everybody believes is going to be at least a 10x, right? That is $2.1 million. I'm giving up so much in order to just take this and pay off whatever I can pay off right now. That makes no sense for me to do. If I saw an investment that was thriving, let's say I saw a business, let's say I wanted to invest into Facebook early stages, and everybody's like, this is going to be great, but then you had a few people that are like, this is going to be horrible, it's going to go to zero, it's not going to be worth anything. Nobody really finds this, as a great idea, and they talk you out of that, right? You put in $100,000, and now that could be worth upwards of, millions or billions of dollars. And you gave up a huge opportunity because you wanted to give up on this investment, right? That's not what you want, right? I don't think that that's the right thing to do. I will not sell all of my crypto. I'm not that type of person that will sell at these levels, because we have so many things that have so much more room for growth that you're going to see 5Xs and 10X returns. And I would expect to become a crypto millionaire from this portfolio that I have. However, multi-millionaire is more of the full expectation. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Do you think it's wise, right? I'm going to read all the comments. Do you think it's wise for me to sell all of my crypto, or do you think it's wise for me to hold on to all my crypto? I asked Erica this, and she came up with the right answer. She said, no, don't sell it all. You've been doing great, and we know that it has, a lot of potential. And she also asked me, she was like, what answer were you looking for? I was like, that was the answer I was looking for. You understand the assignment, and some people just don't. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, sign up for Margex. That link is down below in the description. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.